Hi guys. All right, so welcome back. I think this is going to be our 6th week of distance learning. I don't know, the time's gone fast, but yet it's also kind of gone slow. So I missed you guys. One of the things I wanted to show you today is something else I've been working on. I planted some pepper seeds, and so I've been growing them inside, so I'm gonna go plant them outside once the weather gets really nice, and I'm gonna see if hopefully they'll grow. So we'll see. I'll have to keep you updated on that. All right, so I wanted to show you our new sounds for this week. We've got 2 more bossy R sounds. So if you remember, we had ER, IR, and UR that all said and there were 3 of them. And now we've got 2 more, which are OR, or, and AR. All right, so we've got R, and OR. So those are gonna be your 3 bossy R sounds. So that's what we're gonna be working on this week. All right, so let's go through our cards. All right, so we've got, one other thing I wanted to show you about these. They're blue, so that means that they are vowel sounds. So we're gonna find them in the middle pile. All right, so we've got and E. We've got bowl, coal, pole, sk, ow, sp, pt, sk, sp, st, xt, op, mp, of, nch, nd, old, ok, nt, swa. Remember, this one has 2, ow and o. Ft, e, full, kt, o, goal, ult, a, stir, sure, skr, st, and o, spur, dwa, k, I, bowl, sn, twa, sk, e, coal, o, sm, dole, and u, full, a, coal, goal, toll, pull, it and I, squa, zol, at and a, soul. Remember these from last week? Ild. Could be eind or it could be end. Ost, ult, and old. Guys, we got through that in under 4 minutes. We are getting super fast. Good job today.